Sled's looking clean today. Look at this, guys. It's finally snowing again. Finally, after all that rain. Hopefully it doesn't stop. What's up, guys? How's it going? I'm excited. New week, new things. I guess it'll be the weekend by the time I post this video. So happy weekend. Big day. Well, not really. I'm gonna take the sled for a little ride. We're gonna go find some water. The river's freezing up quick, so I want to skip her again before it does freeze up into a rock again for the rest of the winter. And then, yeah, so we'll go for a little skip there. I just went in front of the house last time, so I'm going to go down the river and try and skip all the way up to the house. So should be interesting. Hopefully she goes well. And then we're going to head over to Brad's house, go for a little skate. He's got that rink in the backyard again, so we're going to hit that up and do a few laps. So I just gassed this thing up again, the old Canadian Tire Special. Filled her up with fuel, put some rags in there, keep her all bunged up so no water gets near the belt. And yeah, I got the whiz mount. Gonna run the GoPro on my helmet too, facing backwards. So I'll get a couple different views, and I think we should put the skis on this thing and see if we can skip it. Could you imagine? Do the Robbie Madison thing and go find some waves. I don't think you're gonna find many waves around here, but we could try. So yeah, let's fire up the old sled and see what we can get into down there. Yeah, so yeah, that was fun. Just a quick little scoot there. I went way up the river, but it's way too sketchy up there. It's all frozen. It was you could see where the water was sitting, and then it drops, so it's basically just all a sheet of ice, the entrance. So I decided to just go where I went off the other day, come on there, and then go off where it went on. So decided to stay right there because, you know, it's an easy spot. But getting a little more used to the sled now on the water, so it's you don't have to lean much, and it goes right up, so that's nice. But yeah, I want to practice a lot more on it, and you know, get some good carves going and stuff. So I figured I'd just do a quick one since I went out by myself. But next time when there's more people there, I'll you know, we'll get a full skip going, get some carves going, see what I can do. So anyways, let's pack her up, head over to Brad, see if we can do a little skate, and hopefully it keeps snowing. Just keep coming down. For the snow, I wouldn't mind. See, sled? This thing likes the water. Stays clean on water. Alright, let's roll. We're on Zamboni duty today. Tiggs. He's just hanging out. You getting her done?
Yeah.
I like how your shovel matches your helmet. Whew, beauty day out here. Look at this. I haven't skated since the last time we skated. Uh-oh, here comes trouble. 2-on-2 to the death. Oh, that was nice. Always showing off as soon as the camera comes on,
This is it. Let's go. Me and you?
Against me and Brooke. Found it. Well, I wiped it once. Brad?
You're gonna have a bruise on that bump
I know.
cheek.
I fell and nailed one of those posts. That was
Lucky
fun.
you know a medic.
Should we wrap this up? Brooke, you want to wrap this up? Say thank you for watching the video.
Brooklyn.
Thank you for watching the video.
And we'll see you later.
See you later.